Hey everybody, this is Alan Fine and I'm here with Dan Durazo, Director External Communications USA for Allianz Partners. So insurance, big topic. We're here at C-Trade. This is Insider Travel Report. Dan, thanks for talking to us.
It's always great to be here. Thanks for having me.
So tell me about your this big news, new partnership with Azamara and Crystal Cruises.
Yeah, hot off the presses today. We've signed up Crystal Cruises, which you know has had a great history, 30-year history of award-winning voyages. They're back, and they selected Allianz Global Assistance as their travel insurance provider. We couldn't be happier to be part of that relaunch. And also Azamara, which, as you know, is an upmarket cruise line. They're really known for their destination immersion experiences. Great destinations, great experiences. They picked us to protect their travelers while they're on their voyage. And you know, the great thing about the travel insurance is it covers people from the minute they buy the policy to the minute they get home after they disembark. And so we're happy to be partnering with both those great cruise lines and to be here at C-Trade to talk to our partners and prospects.
Okay. Now, when someone buys a policy, they want to know the covered reasons for trip cancellation and interruption that will help them. What are they?
So, you know, there's a whole long list of 20-some covered reasons, and the things that happen the most are the kids get sick, grandma gets sick, somebody gets injured, things like that. But in December, we added 12 new covered reasons for trip cancellation and trip interruption, and it's things that people had asked us for, like Fido gets really sick or hurt, so veterinary emergency now.
That's new.
It's really new, and we're really happy to launch those 12 new reasons. And other things too, like you got a new job, or you know, other things that might come up that cause you to cancel your trip. It's a new list of 12 new reasons that we came up with, just launched at the end of last year, announcing at the beginning of this year. So really the travel insurance covers a lot of different situations that may cause people to cancel or interrupt their trip. And that's why we're there, so that people can protect their travel investment, get their money back if they can't go, and then go another time.
I got a perennial question for you. People always ask, you know, the car, when I'm renting a car, should I get insurance? What's your opinion?
Yeah, you really always should get the insurance, I think. I just rented a car when I arrived here in Fort Lauderdale. And the great thing is that there are a lot of options. You don't have to buy the car coverage at the counter. Right. It tends to be very expensive. We offer a product for $11 a day, and you can get it from a lot of different places, from our travel advisor partners, from some of the travel supplier partners, or directly online from us at AllianzTravelInsurance.com. $11 a day, you get $50,000 in coverage in loss or damage. You get $1,000 in trip interruption coverage, so if your trip gets interrupted, we'll put that $1,000 towards any expenses that you might have lost because
it goes beyond the car.
Yeah, it really does, and you also have 24/7 travel assistance. So it's a great deal for $11 a day.
All right, and then just give us a little summary on your One Trip Prime and your One Trip Premier plans.
Sure, those are our most popular plans, and those plans are available from travel advisors or directly from us. And they really provide the coverage that people need, especially when they're going on a cruise. You need to have the coverage limits that really allow you to cancel your trip and get all your money back, and also the medical benefits. A lot of people don't think that anyone's going to get hurt or injured while they're on a cruise. It happens more often than you think. It's good to have that coverage, because even if you end up in the ship's infirmary, you know, they'll send you a bill. And travel insurance will cover that bill for you, so you're not out of pocket. And then, God forbid, something worse happens, you end up somewhere else. We'll pay that, we'll make the arrangements, we'll even get you home.
You're on a cruise, everything seems to be free, and then you go to the infirmary and you get hit with a bill.
Yeah, it's not a great surprise, and if you have travel insurance, it's a bill you don't have to worry about.
Dan, thank you. These little tidbits are always very helpful.
It's great to be here. Thanks for having me, and I hope you have a great sea trade.
You too. And this is Alan Fine for Insider Travel Report.